So, if you remember back a few videos ago, I was trying to work out some problems that I was having making a twisted panel, and I was having some difficulties with it. I couldn't get it to come out right. I tried getting on the forum that I frequent, and I wasn't getting the kind of answers that I wanted. However, there was one of the members on the forum that had some good results. So I figured there had to be a way to do it. So I kept trying different things and experimenting. I went back to my software manufacturer and tried to get some answers from them. I was coming up short quite a bit, but I kept trying and trying, and I finally landed on something that worked. So I went back to the machine and I tried some different settings on the machine, and I tried some different speeds and feeds and different cut patterns, and I was able to achieve what I was out to do. So I have a sample of it here that I'm holding in my hand, and you can see I got some decent definition on this edge here, which, like, right up in this corner is where I was having difficulty. It was rough and kind of bumpy. It wasn't smooth. This one here, I've sanded it just a little bit, so I did get some good definition on this corner and on these edges. These edges were difficult. The flatter areas actually came out pretty good regardless of what I was doing, but the difficulty was in this corner.
Today's gonna look good with the frame around it.
Yes, so here we go. This is, I'm using a 3/8 diameter ball nose end mill. It's 2 flute, solid carbide. And the direction of travel is in the X direction. The longer travel, the length of the board would be on the Y axis. Where I'm changing direction between a more horizontal and a more vertical, that line in the middle, I want that to be a sharp, clean line. So I was working a little bit with adjusting the feed rate to make sure that that stayed sharp, because that was kind of an important thing, is like we wanted to have a good line there.
So let's light this night like a Roman candle. And you look so perfect, I can't stand it anymore. I'll spin you.
Where I changed over here, you could see I have some written text, and what I have going on here is I was trying different feed rates and some different RPMs. Previously, I was at 16,000 RPMs, and over here I'm at 19,200. So I tried 150 inches a minute, 100 inches a minute, 125 inches per minute at 16,000 RPMs and at 19,200 RPMs. And really working on that transition. Here you can see it's more vertical on the edge, and that's where I was really starting to get into the challenge of what was working and what was not. So at this point here, I had a trial of 100 RPMs. You can see where I wrote that, and then I changed to I think I went back to 150 at this point. We'll see that in a second. But that transition, that corner, that edge where it goes up and down right there, there was some issues with acceleration and deceleration, and I had to make a lot of adjustments with acceleration, deceleration to get that nice and sharp. And you can see all the way to the end now, I have a nice sharp corner. And I've finally come to the conclusion that I can do this.
Today's gonna look good with the frame around it. Like a dream come true, so glad we found it. Sunshine through the window pane. Hear music when you speak my name. There's a rhythm of a life here in the moment, so let's own it. It's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a good night. It's gonna be a good day with you by my side. All we gotta do is wake up. All we gotta do is wake up now. That's a bottle we can shake up. Shake it up, pass it all around. It's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a good night. It's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a good night. So let's light this night like a Roman candle. And you look so perfect, I can't stand it anymore. I'll spin you around these stars, close enough I can feel your heart. There's a rhythm of a life here in the moment, so let's own it. It's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a good night. It's gonna be a good day with you by my side. All we gotta do is wake up. All we gotta do is wake up now. Lots of bottle we can shake up. Shake it up, pass it all around. It's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a good night. It's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a good night. So shake it up, pass it all around. So shake it up, dance until we all fall down. So shake it up, pass it all around. Shake it up, laugh until we fall down. It's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a good